Ischgl is located at an altitude of 1,400 meters above sea level in the west part of Austria, on the border of Switzerland. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know before planning a vacation to Ischgl, and if you stay until the end of this video, you'll get some great tips that will help you to make better decisions and save you time and money. The closest airports to Ischgl are Innsbruck, Friederichshafen and Memmingen, with transfer times of 1 hour and 20 minutes, 2 hours and 5 minutes, and 2 hours and 17 minutes accordingly. Another two major airports, Zurich and Munich, are close by too, with transfer times of 2 hours and 35 minutes and 3 hours and 9 minutes respectively. If you travel in through Zurich, Memmingen or Friederichshafen, be aware that the Silvretta pass is closed during winter. Some built-in car GPS systems might send you that way by mistake, so make sure you check before you travel. Ischgl is considered one of the best ski resorts in the world and is well known for its state-of-the-art lift systems, great après-ski scene and many off-piste areas. The ski area of Ischgl is called Silvretta Ski Area, named after the Silvretta mountain range which make the border between Austria and Switzerland, as well as Tyrol and Vorarlberg. The ski area is a united ski area for both Ischgl and the Swiss duty-free village of Samnaun and includes 239 kilometers of ski runs, 90% of which are more than 2,000 meters above sea level, making it the best late-season ski area in Austria. The ski season in Ischgl is one of the longest in the world and runs from late November all the way until early May. The Silvretta ski area has 45 ski lifts and is comprised of 47 kilometers of blue runs, 143 kilometers of red runs, 34 kilometers of black runs, and 15 kilometers of ski routes, which are kind of inspected off-piste slopes. There are 3 cable cars available to take you from the village. First, the Silvretta, that will take you to the Idalp area at an altitude of 2,300 meters. Second, the Fimber, that will take you to the same place. And finally, the new Friedeichshafen cable car that will lift you to the Friedeichshafen peak at an altitude of 2,650 meters. We recommend booking a hotel near the Fimber lift because it has less lines compared to both the Silvretta and Friedeichshafen cable cars, which are both situated next to large parking lots, and are therefore much busier as they serve all the skiers that come from other towns in the Pasnaun Valley. The Idalp area is the hub of the ski area, and from there you can continue to many other peaks or ski back to the village and other lifts. The Idalp area also serves as the meeting point of the ski school. The most outstanding fact of the Idalp area is that it has the highest concert stage in Europe, and every year, at the end of the season festival, big stars like Rihanna, Beyoncé and many others perform. On April 30th, 2019, the amazing Lenny Kravitz will rock Ischgl. One of the most unique things in Ischgl is to ski along Run 80, aka Duty Free Run. This 10-kilometer long red run will take you to Samnaun. You can bypass the village if you want, but we recommend you to take a break there and explore the lovely village. Today, you can find most of the products there, cheaper online or at the supermarket in your hometown. But the story of making a duty-free shopping in Switzerland in the middle of your day of skiing is a good story to tell or upload to Instagram. From Samnaun, you can take the double-decker cable car that can carry as many as 180 skiers at one time and is one of the largest cable cars in the world. If you want to have a great Ischgl après-ski experience, we recommend that you grab your first beer at Pasnaun Tire, which is the most popular on-mountain après-ski venue in the region. From there, you can ski directly to Trofana Alm, stay there until the party is over around 7 or 8, and then continue to Kuhstall. In Kuhstall, the party continues right up until 4 AM, or if you prefer, you can move on at around midnight, either to Fire and Ice on the other side of the square, or to the Hotel Post Club. Alternatively, finish your night at Pasha. I was there off-season, but believe me, these places are bustling all season. Before we wrap up, here are our ratings for Ischgl. For snowboarders, it's a 9. The Silvretta area has many off-piste areas and runs for every level. The snow park is great and is equipped with an air cushion, excellent if you'd like to try some jumps you just wouldn't without it, and you won't use a T-bar. Advanced skiers, an 8. There are 34 kilometers of black runs, 15 kilometers of ski routes, and a vast amount of off-piste terrain. Intermediate skiers, 9. Beginners, it's a 7. Given that it's quite hard to get back to the village and the relatively high rental cost for both equipment and ski lessons, it can become quite a costly vacation. Freestylers, 9.5. A great snowpark with a variety of elements, and the jewel in the crown is the air cushion. The fact that there is no direct lift to the jump section of the park damages the otherwise perfect score. Freeriders, 9. One of the best freeriders ski area in Europe. Nightlife, a 9. Après-ski, 10. The variety of top-notch après-ski bars in the village is second to none. Resort charm, 8.5. The pedestrian area is one of the most beautiful of any ski resort anywhere. Our total score for Ischgl is 9. Our bonus tips for Ischgl. Don't miss the longest toboggan run in Europe with a length of 7 kilometers. The run is only open on Monday and Tuesday nights. The ascent is via the Silvretta lift. An extra tip for après-ski animals. Don't book half-board hotels. Most prepaid dinner menus run between 7 and 9, and unlike most other ski resorts, some of the best après-ski moments take place at that time, so you'll be missing out on what you paid for. If you like this video, you can watch our videos on Val Thorens, St. Anton, and other ski resorts. You'll make our day if you push the like button. Better yet, why not subscribe for free to our channel? And don't forget to push the chime on the right, so every time we upload a video, you'll get a notification.